watching Home Alone 2 and doing some editing, drinking my coffee and relaxing. Get you through for the next couple hours.
There was sun and there was rain.
Oh yeah, I I just feel like it's time for a change, so I'm gonna rearrange the living room. Alright, good morning ladies. So, I already ran to town this morning. Wanted to start the vlog and get started for today. It's Monday morning, start of a fresh new week, and hopefully you ladies enjoy today's video. Find some homemaking motivation. There's just some stuff I need to do around the house, so just had to show her. She is such a goofball. So I seen Cynthia posted 2 videos. I already listened to this one on my drive, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this one about the unbothered feminine woman. We're gonna turn that on and get started. Share with you ladies a few food items that I've been loving lately. The majority are at Aldi's. I really like Aldi's. They have such good stuff. They're always changing things up. They're always getting new things, and just it's a really great place to shop for groceries and so affordable. So the first one being, I've been really craving crepes lately, and in fact like 2-3 weeks ago I was like learning up on how to make them for in the morning time. But I've seen these really simple, short ingredients, and they're just great. They're versatile. You can make them sweet or savory. So I am gonna continue to put these on my must-have grocery shopping list. So the second thing are these egg wrap whites. So I picked up 2, and again, easy, quick, versatile. You can have them in these sausage links, which I was gonna share as well. Never any antibiotics, hormones, nitrates, artificial preservatives, things like that. So I know how hard it is to try and, you know, eat that way. It's almost virtually sometimes impossible, but I would say start slow, work your way. If you're ever trying to get fit and healthy, work on your diet first before you even start working out, because I've noticed that when you start working out and you don't have a good solid foundation when it comes to your go-tos for what you eat, you're gonna get a lot hangrier because you're gonna actually need to consume more food. So if you already don't really have an idea of, you know, what you're gonna eat, then it's a recipe for disaster. So figure out your go-tos, get in your protein, fats, carbs, like healthy protein, fats, and carbs. Once I start incorporating working out again, I realized, okay, I'm gonna have to eat a little bit more, especially breastfeeding. So obviously I don't hit my calories every day, but I'm really trying. I've really been into butternut squash. I cook it in the oven and then make it into like a smash. Butternut squash is like a quick snack. I have a whole bowl here right now. Oh, these are really good snack for the kids, but also for you. I like to eat them as well as like a little sweet treat. No seed oils, which is really important. So there's another one. And then this brand right here, this you can't get at Aldi's. I get it at my local farmer's market. Must-have list for sweet treats. This brand, they use olive oil, and of course I've already mentioned these before in my last video, but they're like my sweet treat for when I have my coffee in the mornings. So delicious. No, again, seed oils. But that's pretty much it, like as far as my new go-tos that I've found to replace like my other bad habits. Lately I've been eating a lot of cruciferous vegetables and like cabbage, beets, bok choy, things like that. Just trying to get out of my comfort zone and find and discover new things. And I feel like you'll get rewarded for it. It just takes some time and some patience. So I'm gonna finish eating lunch, and then I'm gonna do some laundry, clean up the house a little bit, and by that time probably put Josiah down for his nap.
Stay up too late. Share our secrets as we let go. No more illusions, no more standing.
Okay, so we just got back inside. We were out there for about an hour, and I need to fold this tower of laundry. Yeah, I just feel like it's time for a change, so I'm gonna rearrange the living room once I get Josiah down for his nap and feed her. So
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. though I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore.
Now I just gotta put it away.
Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now
Okay, ready? One. You're definitely adding an element. Whoa.
Okay, so while Josiah's down for his nap, I want to hang this bird feeder up and see what he thinks about it, because he's always playing right here in this area. So I want lessons with him when it comes to like nature and things, kind of like a way to introduce homeschooling, which by the way, I do not know what I'll be doing when that time comes. Yeah, I think he'll really like it. So as you've seen, my friend came over, we did a little workout / she did, and then went for a walk and just had a little girlfriend time. So that's really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna do this and then probably try to get her down for her nap and once again rest a little bit. So okay, so update. I sat down to film, but she woke up and she's eating right now. I am finishing up some emails and editing, and I am waiting for Josiah to wake up. Just overall, it's been a really nice day. Sometimes I think as homemakers, we forget how important it is to have connection and have friendships, have time to be with friends. And I'm really fortunate to have girlfriends that can come over, because I know that's not always like optional for moms to get out, especially with kids. So if you're somebody who has a friend who's a mom, you know, try to make that effort to go over to their house, because it really does make all the difference in making them feel like normal and like themselves, and just to have that interaction and that communication, just to talk about how you're feeling and what's going on, and just go for a walk and to get some sunshine, and also for them to be an encouragement for you too. So, but I think it's important to remember that this is such an important aspect of your mental health, and to not like neglect it, because, and on a regular basis too. I wanted to show you what I got the other day. Me and my friend went thrifting. I got some really good staple pieces. I'm trying to collect my wardrobe pieces for every day around the house, but also when I go out to grocery shop. I know right now I'm in my little loungewear sweat air season, and I want to make a little bit more of an effort, but I am only 2 months postpartum, so you know, don't come at me. I should not be drinking coffee after 3 o'clock, but I have been drinking a little bit too much coffee than I would like to admit. But again, that's the season I'm in. I just been loving our little morning routine, just getting out of the house, rain, shine, snow, and going to get a cup of coffee. It's just the act, you know, of going to get a cup of coffee, and it's just getting your little treat. I don't know. Again, it's the season I'm in. Some people might think, well, you're wasting money with gas and getting a coffee, but it's not a waste for me, and it's not a waste for my husband if it makes me happy in the season that I'm in, to find those little joys and pockets throughout my day. It's worth it. Am I gonna always do that? Maybe not. Probably looking back, I'll be like, how did I do that? But I know that it's something that I need to do. Not need, but it's something that really gives me structure, gives me happiness, and it gives the kids happiness, especially Josiah when he gets to go to the park and play with the kids. He's so happy. He sleeps better, and it's just overall a good thing. Even though we're homemakers, doesn't mean we have to be homebound. I think I hear Josiah waking up, so I'm gonna go get him, and then we'll probably go out back and play in the sandbox and jump on the trampoline. And just, Dad will be home maybe here in 2 hours, so I need to think about what I'm gonna make for dinner actually. So I am having a pretty chill morning actually. I was going to go to town, but I decided not to, because I have to go to town later on this evening for my chiropractor appointment. One trip is enough with 2 kids. I'm hoping my friend, or either my husband Joe, will sit in the car with the kids while I go in. My first chiropractor appointment was kind of hard, because it was just like my mind and thoughts were all towards them, like, are they okay? Is she crying? And mom struggles. Right now we are watching Home Alone 2. And I am doing some editing, just drinking my coffee and relaxing. Yeah, not much is going on. We already had breakfast, and I'll probably have my second breakfast sometime soon. Just chill out and relax, have a cozy morning.
You okay?
Yeah, he's okay. She's waking up and sounds like she's a little congested, like she has some nasal, like maybe some stuff in her nose that needs sucked out. So I just got this new nasal. What? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna test that out and see how that works. This thing is so nice. It has like a song, a soothing song to it. There's different suction cups, so if you need to really get up there. And I've really just been having a problem with getting really far up there, and I use the bobby pin, but I feel like sometimes it hurts her. But man, this thing is nice, isn't it? Yeah! I need something like this. I'll link it below, because this is really, really nice to have. It's from Groans, so I'll link it below for you guys. I'm starting to get a little hungry, so I'm just gonna show you what I kind of make for my second breakfast. So it's usually the crepes with kefir and some sort of fruit on top, so maybe bananas. I need to use those up because they're going bad. Yeah. Okay, so I think it might actually turn out to be a nice day. The sun is shining, so that's always good. We might go for a walk. Okay, let's do this. So lately I've been into kefir more than yogurt because it has a lot more probiotics. So I just get the plain so it's less sugar. What I'll do is just take a crate, stick a piece of fruit in there, and then I'll drizzle the kefir right on top. Second breakfast treat. So, yeah. Okay, we're taking a little break. I'm waiting on Coda actually because he goes in these woods and looks for chickens. But I'm really glad I pushed myself to come out because sometimes it just doesn't take much to make yourself feel better and get you through for the next couple hours. I know we're not gonna have many more days like this, so this is a reminder for you ladies to get out as much as you can before winter hits, but also, I think I said this last year during the fall time, get in your vitamin D, do sunlight therapy, anything to get in that vitamin D so you know, not have seasonal depression as some many struggle with. So, what is it, honey? All right, so we're gonna head back. So here I was thinking he was eating his breakfast. You know when your kids give you that look like you're doing something? What do you think his breakfast is? Yeah, and the dinosaur belly. That's not for the dinosaur, that's your breakfast. Yeah. He's at that stage where you can't get him to eat anything. You wanna get out, Coda? Go out. Wake her up and feed her. And then, by that time, it'll probably be Josiah's nap time. And then rest time. Well, I think that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, found some homemaking motivation, and if you have any requests or you want to see something, let me know in the description of this video. But other than that, I hope you ladies have a good homemaking day, and I will see you in my next video. All right, bye.